Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to install WordPress on. So all you need is to log in into your cPanel account and scroll down below to Softculous app installer. Softculous app installer, yes, here all you need is to click on WordPress. Other CMS like a Joomla, Drupal also available here, but you just need to click on WordPress. Here I just click on WordPress and it will redirect me to another page, and I can start. Here I come. At this page you can check all it is about WordPress, its features, demo, etc. You can check, but you need to click on install on top menu to install the WordPress. Yeah, I'm just checking here and there. Here I just click on install, and here I will select HTTP with www, and below I will select a domain name from the list. You can choose a single domain name you want to install WordPress on. You don't need to install WordPress in any directory, so leave it as it is. And here you can put the name of your website and with tagline or description. Below you can choose a name for your admin. I just leave it as it is, and now I'm choosing my password. You can choose a random password and save it on your. And here you need to put your Gmail email address you are using personally, and select language English. And below you can install directly plugin on your website by checking these boxes, but I will select just one. You can install it later on, and here you can select a suitable theme to install on your blog, but I will leave it as it is. I can install it later on. You can also install it later on. I just click on install button, and in my case it will take 3 to 4 minutes, and yeah, I have done with it. Now I hope you will like the video. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment box below. I will try to answer all your queries, and thanks for watching the video.